for the celebration of this day. The city of Baguio is indeed privileged to have all of you here in the city. Without you, there is no Baguio City. And in the city government, we're also very proud of the fact that we have a lot of people participating in this activity. And we hope that the preservation of culture shall be one of the thrusts which we shall continue to keep. So to all of you, let us be proud of the heritage, let us be proud of our culture, but more than that, let us be proud of ourselves and let us see to it that the very best of our culture will be embodied in each and every one of us. Kaya yamin ako, mabuhay at bless kayo amin!
Mga people! Thank you. Yes, we will hear a message from the Department of Tourism Cordillera Regional Director, Madam Pura Molintas. And we'll have another Bendian after this. Okay. Director Molintas, your message please.
Thank you very much, Jimmy. It is nice to be joining all the Kakailians in this Ibaloy Garden, and I'm happy to meet the relatives and the friends who have been gathering for, I think this is now the third year. And every year, umad-ado yung umay. I think the first year, medyo naras-rasay. But I see the old ladies of La Trinidad from the first year, inga natata, dadanga ka na yun. Perfect si attendance na, so palakpakan tayo man ni Suda. And of course, the gun beaters who came all the way from Tuba, I know they are here. And from the adjoining, even the other clans from La Trinidad, from Itogon, they are also here. And as far as Sablan, I saw representatives from Sablan, dadaanin dito, and we're happy to gather as we celebrate our Ibaloy Day. It is always fun to meet each and every one. As we say in the Department of Tourism, it's fun to be in the Philippines, it's fun to be in Benguet, it's fun to be in Baguio, and it's also fun for us to meet on a particular day when we all gather as Ibaloys. And we celebrate our culture and we celebrate our heritage. So for each and every one of us, let us enjoy the day. Sapay kumat at kulturan hanlang nga dito pa nagkukuyog tayo betanga aldaw. But in terms of other things, now there is now an Ibaloy dictionary which was launched overseas, and I have the opportunity of seeing that book overseas. Taka, it is now here. I hope that we gather together and buy and patronize tangod dagi sa younger generation nga kasla kanya and the other younger generation. I know that many of you cannot speak Ibaloy. I learned my Ibaloy when I was in my mid-20s, and it's still I still try to keep on practicing it. Tanuhan nga maprak-practice, we keep speaking English or Ilocano or Tagalog. To all of us nga ditoy, let us teach our children to speak Ibaloy. It is not yet too late. It is not too late for us not to teach our children, but I think it is a constant effort for us nga masabi nga suruan tayo ti anak tayo. Today I am happy that even the younger generation are dancing in their own kubal. They are now dancing in their own tapis. Years back, when I was the provincial chairman of the Tourism Council of the province of Benguet, in my capacity as First Lady of Benguet then, nagrigat na agayab, kakaiyak na taga Benguet nga apan agsala is there are cultural performances. That it became our obligation then to Nakijay Tourism Council. We have to teach our children how to dance. And then when I joined the Department of Tourism, I was so amused because my first out-of-town trip in the Cordillera was in Tiangan. And I was so touched because in Tiangan, where the taga-daycare center, they know how to dance. Small children, 4 years old, 5 years old, 6 years old, they know how to dance their own Tiangan dance. And they even can do the chanting, something that I did not see in my own province. And that was the learning that I got. And so from that day on, I asked the province of Benguet to help. And so we started working on the School of Living Tradition, which is funded by the National Commission for the Culture and the Arts. Today, almost all the municipalities of Benguet have a project with the National Commission for the Culture and the Arts. And they now have a School of Living Tradition. And I am happy. I think even my aunties and my lolas who are here will agree with me that when we go out and when we see programs or gatherings such as this, we are happy and proud to see small children and the younger generation dance and perform voluntarily. Hanga di itartarayan dati ulit. Because usually when you are given the blankets, usually the ladies and the gentlemen, they run away from the blankets. And so when you are gathered as a region, when all the Cordillera provinces are gathered together, kababain kasi ti taga-Benguet kansawan na nga kanayon, na kayo mga taga-Benguet itartarayan nyo ti Olesyo. And so now, I think it is not correct to say that the Benguets are shy. We are not a shy people. It is only because we have a protocol that we are following, which the other cultures may not be aware of. At that protocol, when you dance, you must be authorized to dance. And my Auntie Cecile will agree with me that you cannot dance without being authorized. Even to volunteer, you have to be authorized to volunteer yourself. Otherwise, mauntan tayo. Bagada nga, hey, nansikol ka. That is what they tell us. And so today, I think our older folks should be more accepting and they should be more willing that when the younger generation volunteer to dance, I think we should encourage them instead of saying, oh, nansikam ka. So today, I am happy that the younger generation, I think there are younger faces. It's not only all the old ladies and the old gentlemen who are now authorized and who are volunteering to dance. Today, let us encourage that spirit of volunteerism among ourselves so that we will be able to sustain the Benguet Ibalay culture. To each and everyone, let's have fun. It's more fun to have fun. It's fun to have the Ibalay culture in Burman Park. It's fun to have each and every one of us gather today. Today, let's enjoy and let's congratulate ourselves for having been able to sustain the Ibalay culture. To the organizers who have painstakingly contributed their time, money, and effort, and to our aunties, our uncles, our lolas, and our lolas who have been encouraging us, thank you for being there. Please stay alive longer so that we will be here gathered every year, every February 23. To our aunties and uncles, our lolas and lolas, stay longer for us. As we say, live longer for the Benguet Ibalay people. A pleasant good morning to one and all.
Thank you very much, Tourism Regional Director Pura Mulintas. We acknowledge the presence of La Trinidad Mayor Greg Abeles, and I am authorizing him to dance together with the Regional Director. Yes, Mayor Greg, please lead the dance, lead the tayaw. Give them the blankets, please. They will not run away. Mayor Greg, Mayor Greg. Mayor Greg, paano siya kayo? Vice Mayor Ian Petambes. Yes, the Mayor of Sablan, Mayor Balbo. Very much, Mayor. Great fabulous acceptance to that. And Department of Tourism, Cordillera Regional Director, Pura Mulintar.